Hello children, good morning. Let us start our 10th class portion, Polynomials, 3.3 exercise, second problem onwards I need to do. So before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about the topic. Today's topic is what you think you become. What do you mean by this? Your mind is your controller. It controls you. It makes you a person. So, it will work only when you have a firm determination. So, the mind work depends upon what you think. So, if you think positively, your mind works positively, that will give you a good result and you become the best person. So everything is in our thought process, children. So please always have a positive thinking. Positive thinking makes your life positive. Usually, as you are in 10th class, you feel that some subjects are very, very hard. We can't understand. This topic is not at all up to my reach. Why are you thinking like that? Your portion is given to you by understanding or by a lot of research work done on IQ of the children of your age. Basing on that only they have given you the syllabus. How can you say that it is out of my reach? It's not like that. Everything is possible. Your syllabus is up to your mark only. Only the thing is your mind is not agreeing it. It feels that it is very tough to understand. Slowly, if you understand. If you have any doubt, go to your teachers or any elders. Anybody's help you take. Don't hesitate to take help from others. Slowly, if you understand, in case if you feel anything hard, make your mind to work slowly. Take the dictionary help. See that, children, the meaning of the words that you are not understanding. Ask your elders. And slowly if you learn, if you make it clear in your mind, definitely you will remember. Usually you will say that, I have learned but I have forgotten. That is not correct, children. If you learn, you will never forget. Your learning process is not proper. Understand that it is not only learning. That time it's called short-term memory. Just learn it, I got it and leaving it is not the thing. You have to recollect it whenever you are free. And recollecting only, the mind will receive it, keep it and reproduce it at the time of examination. So have a positive thought, children. Let us come back to our lesson. It is 3.3 exercise. The second problem, you have to find the quadratic polynomial. You have to find the quadratic polynomial, and what is that they have given? The given numbers are sum and product of zeros. What they have given? Sum and product of zeros. When they have given sum and product of zeros, how to find the quadratic polynomial? Already in examples we have done some type of this type of sums. So let us see one by one. The first one is given 1 by 4 and minus 1. What are these, children? These are sum and product. Remember carefully, I told you earlier also. Two values are given means they might be zeros or sum and product. Observe carefully, read the problem carefully, understand what they have given to you. In both the cases you will be getting two values only. So which is the one they have given? They have given now in this problem sum and product. sum means alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta they have given 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is given as minus 1. So what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is the formula. That means x square minus x into alpha plus beta 1 by 4 plus minus 1. Alpha beta is minus 1. That means x square minus x by 4 minus 1. Now in this case, what is happening, children? You have got a denominator number, so that you can bring it to the numerator. How? On multiplying. On multiplying each term by 4. Why are you multiplying by 4? Because here denominator is 4. What you will get? X square becomes 4x square minus, this is x by 4 into 4, children, minus 1. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 4x square minus x minus 1 is the quadratic polynomial they have asked. This is the answer, children. Same way, alpha plus beta they have given, alpha beta they have given. So the general formula you should remember. This formula you should remember. X square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. In the place of alpha plus beta we are taking 1 by 4. In the place of alpha into beta minus 1. Since you have negative sign, I have kept the bracket. When I open the bracket, minus into plus becomes minus. X into 1 by 4 is x by 4. Since you have got a number in the denominator, whatever is the number, with that number if you multiply each and every term, what happens? This 4 will be cancelled. See, here I have cancelled. So this is the answer, children. Please copy it. Now we will go to the second bit. The second bit, root 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, root 2 and 1 by 3. Now, what is given to you, children? Alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Alpha into beta is 1 by 3. So, what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So, x square minus x into alpha plus beta is root 2 plus alpha beta is 1 by 3. That means what we are getting, children? X square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. So again here in the denominator you are having 1 by 3. So now what we need to do? You have to multiply on multiplying each term by 3, because in the denominator you have got 3 here. Earlier 4 was there, we multiplied by 4. Now by 3. So what you are getting? 3x square minus 3 root 2x. 3 into root 2. 3 root 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the answer. for this problem, children. One my suggestion earlier also I said, these all are same type, so please don't copy it. Do it by yourself. After doing, check it with this video. You will understand whether you have got it or not. Plus, just simply copying will not help you to do it. You make your mind to work. Our thought also is like that, no? You have to make your mind to work. You do by yourself. One problem, or if you have still any doubt, you have done this, I have done this problem also, go through it. Any doubt you can listen 2-3 times, you will understand. Then you can continue with your sums by yourself, then check it with what I have done. As I am doing all the problems, it doesn't mean that you simply copy. That is not correct, children. Your learning part will not be correct if you do like that. Now, we will go to the third bit. The third bit is 0 and root 5. 0 and root 5. So, alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Alpha into beta is root 5. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That means x square minus x into 0 plus root 5. So what you are getting? X square plus root 5. You don't get anything because 0 into x is 0. So x square plus root 5 is the third bit. Now I can do the fourth bit here. Now what is the fourth bit? 1, 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha into beta is equal to 1. So what is quadratic polynomial? Is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is equal to x square minus x into 1 plus 1. That is x square minus x plus 1 is the answer for it. So, simple problems, children. These two are right on. Next. Fourth one, minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is 1 by 4. So, what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is x square minus x into minus 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That means x square minus into minus plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here we will be multiplying each term on multiplying each term by 4, because here denominator is 4. What are you getting? 4x square minus x by 4 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4. 4's will get cancelled. 4x square minus x plus 1 is the answer, children, for this problem. This is fourth problem. Sorry, it is fifth problem. Fifth bit, children. I have not changed this number. It is fifth bit. Now, we will go to the sixth bit. What is sixth bit? 4, 1. Alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha into beta is 1. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That means x square minus x into 4 plus 1. X square minus 4x plus 1. So this is the sixth problem, sixth bit, and the last bit of second problem, children. Now, we will go to the third problem. Third problem is, find the quadratic polynomials for the zeros given what they have given, here. Given alpha and beta. So, alpha and beta they have given. Find quadratic polynomials for the zeros alpha and beta given in each case. In the earlier case, they have given alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now only alpha beta is given. Same procedure. But little bit difference is what? You have got alpha is equal to 2. Beta is equal to minus 1. So, quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So in this case, what you are taking, x value, alpha value 2 plus beta. So bracket you have to write a box bracket. 2 plus of minus 1 plus alpha into beta is again 2 into minus 1. Alpha value is 2 into beta value is minus 1. That is equal to x square minus x into plus 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2. Means x square minus x minus 2 is the answer. So what is the difference, children? In the earlier case, this whole value as it is they have given. But now each one alpha value, beta value only they have given. That you have to substitute to get the solutions for it. This is the first one. And now the third bit, root 3 minus root 3. That means alpha is equal to root 3, beta is equal to minus root 3. So, quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is x square minus x into alpha is root 3 plus beta is minus root 3 plus root 3 into minus root 3 alpha into beta. This is equal to x square minus x into plus and minus will get cancelled. 0. Plus into minus minus. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. That means we are getting x square minus 3 is the answer for this problem, children. Write on this. Now, third thing. 1 by 4 minus 1. Alpha is equal to 1 by 4. Beta is equal to minus 1. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is equal to x square minus x into 1 by 4 plus of minus 1 plus 1 by 4 into minus 1. That means x square minus x into, see children, in rough work you will see 1 by 4 minus 1. So take LCM 4, 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 4 you will be getting. So that minus 3 by 4 I am writing here, plus into minus minus 1 by 4. So how much I am getting? X square minus into minus plus 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4. This is what I hope you have followed, children. 1 by 4 plus of minus 1 means 1 by 4 minus 1. So in the rough column I have added this alpha plus beta. So I have got minus 3 by 4. I have written it here. Now denominator contains a value 4. So on multiplying each term by 4. What are we getting? 4x square plus 3x by 4 into 4 minus 1 by 4 into 4. 4's will get cancelled. 4x square plus 3x minus 1 is your answer. I hope you have followed, children. Now fourth bit, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. That means alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 3 by 2. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is equal to x square plus minus x into alpha is 1 by 2 plus beta is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So that is x square minus, so in the rough column let us add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 is LCM, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, that is 2 you are getting. Its value is 2. So x into 2 plus multiplication. 3 ones are 3 by 4. So what are you getting? X square minus 2x plus 3 by 4. So again you have to multiply each term by 4. On multiplying each term by 4. What are we getting? 4x square minus 2x into 4 plus 3 by 4 into 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 4x square. So 4x square minus 4 2s are 8x plus 3. This is the answer, children, for the problem. 4 bits are there. I have done 4 bits. So I hope you remember my suggestion. Do the sums by yourself. After doing the sums by yourself, check with your reading whether you are right or wrong. Please don't just copy. Running the means without listening to. I have come to know some people what they do. They don't listen. What I am teaching, my whatever work I am doing, that they are not listening. Simply they are scrolling it till the some solution and copying. That will not help children. Listen to the teaching once at least for one problem. For first problem you listen, the other bits you do it by ear. Every bit is scrolling and writing will make you dull. It is only filling your notebook, not your brain. Please think about it. You are working hard, your hard work should give you the best result. So 10th class means not a simple thing, because your marks counts a lot. Your first certificate in your life you are getting. So be cautious about it and try to score as many marks as you can do. That is the only gift that you can give to your parents, children. They always have a lot of dreams about you. So I want you to fulfill their dreams. Now let us go to the fourth one. Fourth one is verify 1, minus 1 and 3 are zeros of. What is the polynomial they have given? X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 and verify. I think you remember we have done this kind of sums earlier. So what you have to do? First you have to verify whether they are the zeros. You should verify whether they are the zeros. And then you have to find out, verify by formula. This is, and what else they have given? The question is, and check the relationship with the coefficients. And check I will write instead of verify. I am not writing the whole thing, children. Check the result. You have to check the result given. Okay? I am not writing the whole problem. So you can go through your textbook. So what is P of x given to us? P of x is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So first you have to take 1, P of 1. P of 1 is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. All will get cancelled, 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 is 0 of P of x. Okay. So P of 1 we have done. Now go for P of minus 1. So again you write P of x is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. P of minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1. X is minus 1 plus 3. Here in this negatives, if you don't do properly, there is a chance of going wrong, children. So don't do that mistake. Carefully you substitute the values. If your substitution is proper, your answer will be proper. Minus 1, minus 3 into 1, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus 1 plus 3. This means minus 1, minus into plus minus 3, plus 1 plus 3. Here also this will get cancelled. This is equal to 0. Therefore, P of minus 1 is equal to 0. What does this implies? Minus 1 is 0 of P of X. So 1 we have done and minus 1 you have done. If you want a line, I will draw, children, so that the difference you can identify. This is P of 1, this is P of minus 1. Now, let me go to the next part. 1 minus 1 I have completed, 3. P of X is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. P of 3 is 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 3 plus 3. So, 3 cube is 27 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 into 3 is 27 minus 3 plus 3. These are also get cancelled. So, P of 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 is 0 of P of X. So, we have verified that. Thus, verified. What is it? 1, minus 1 and 3 are zeros of P of X. Now, you have to verify checking by coefficient. That is, let me write verification by coefficients. So, in this problem, you have got 3 values, no? So, we will be taking alpha as 1, beta as minus 1, gamma as 3, not minus 3, gamma is 3. Alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. Now, actually, the given P of X is what, children? X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So, in this case, A becomes 1, B becomes minus 3, C becomes minus 1, D becomes 3. You should know the coefficients. Now, let us continue our problem. Now, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, what is alpha? 1 plus of minus 1 plus 3, gamma is 3. So, what you are getting? 1 minus 1 plus 3, these two will get cancelled, you are getting 3. Also, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So, that is equal to, what is minus b, children? Minus b is minus 3. This minus I am getting here, and 3 is having minus, you have got a b. What is b? b is minus 3. So, minus of minus 3 by a is 1, 3. See, children, both of them are same. Next, what you need to go? The next one is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is it? Alpha is how much? 1 into minus 1 plus beta is minus 1 into gamma 3 plus gamma 3 into alpha 1. Minus 1 minus 3 plus 3. This will get cancelled. Minus 1 you have got. And let us go to the formula. Also, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. What is C, children, here? Minus 1. By what is A? 1. That is equal to minus 1. See, both of them are same. And I have one more bit, children, alpha, beta, gamma. If you copy this part, I will do. I have no place to do it to complete this sum. So this part, if you do it, I will continue. So now I will go for the next part. Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to d by a. Minus d by e, actually it is. So, what is alpha? Alpha is 1. Beta is minus 1. Gamma is 3. First we will say alpha, beta, gamma. No? So, let us write like this. 1 into minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay. Now, also alpha, beta, gamma is minus d by a. Minus, what is d, children? 3. By what is a? 1. That is minus 3. See, both of them are same. Thus, verified. So, you have verified every coefficient, children. So, first we have taken what values they have given. The first one is alpha, next is beta, next is gamma. So, when you are here in the polynomial, what is a? Coefficient of x cube a, coefficient of x square minus 3, coefficient of x is minus 1, standard term is 3d. So, alpha plus beta plus gamma, we have taken first the values that are given. 1 plus of minus 1 and 3, we have got its value as 3. Now, by using the coefficients, the formula is alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Already I have explained you in the earlier videos. So, minus b. B is what, children? Here I have written. B is minus 3. So, minus of minus 3. This minus is sign of this. You have to write this. Then because you have another minus here, I put it in bracket. So, minus into minus plus 3. So, both of them you have got as same. Next formula is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. How much I have got? Minus 1, minus 3 plus 3. So, minus 3 plus 3 got cancelled. We have got minus 1. Now, according to the formula, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is C by A. What is C here, children? Minus 1. So, minus 1 by A is 1. So, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Now, when you go to alpha, beta, gamma, 1 into minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Formula alpha, beta, gamma is minus D by A. So, minus D is 3 by A is 1. So, minus 3. This is how we have verified, children. So, with this, I have completed this chapter. Sorry, not chapter, this exercise. Next part I will be doing in the next class. I hope you have